Yo, what's good everybody? This is Suheel back with Feel Good Threads, and today we're looking at another exclusive pair of Yeezys. Today we are unboxing the Yeezy Zyon V2. Are you ready? Let's get it. All right, y'all, I don't know about you, but I've been waiting for this very patiently. This pair of kicks was supposed to release in June. Unfortunately, it was delayed, and we finally get a first look at the Yeezy Zyon V2. This pair here comes in the very familiar V2 350 box. This pair is from Yeezy Supply. Actually, Yeezy Supply did an excellent job delivering their pair of kicks soon. Like, I think I ended up getting this pair of kicks 2 days after I actually ordered them. This pair released on July 18th. July 20th is when I got my first pair, and today is the 23rd. This is my second pair that's come in. I'm really hyped to take a look at this pair of kicks, so let's go ahead and unbox them. A lot of hype was behind these kicks in June, and this pair of kicks was going for, I think some of them are sold as much as $500. Right now, this pair is reselling for approximately $300, which I'm kind of surprised because when this pair was first looked at through the exclusive pictures, a lot of people were saying that they wanted to cop this pair of shoes. You know, this is actually my first look, and now that I take a look at it in person, I didn't know that this stripe was going to be like a dark brown. From all the pictures, it looked like this was a black stripe, along with all of the knitting having some more black in it as well. But surprisingly, this pair has more of a natural feel to it. We've got hues of tans, browns, and of course we have the exclusive Yeezy V2 model body shape. Everything looks pretty familiar. It has a cream bottom here. And I would have to say this pair looks pretty dope in person, actually. It doesn't have as much black, but the specs and the colorway in itself make it look like it's a great pair of shoes to wear with jeans. You could wear this with shorts as well, and it's a great look for the summertime. So this is a great time to pick up a pair of these. Again, the retail price was $220 for these, plus tax and shipping and everything. So it came out to be at $250. So for you to be able to cop this for like $50 resale is actually not a bad deal. Just taking a look at the interior. We've got an interior sock liner here that you guys could see. It's just basically like a nice off-white, cream, tannish bone color, and it kind of goes really well with the exterior outsole. Again, the knitting on it looks fantastic, man. I really love the quality behind it. What I did notice too is if you look at the toe box, the previous releases that we used to see with 350s, for example, like the Pirate Blacks, used to have X's that were etched in here. Now we've got an introduced new style here, which is, it looks like more of a tight knit woven stripe that goes straight down the middle. So with that said, guys, I would love to hear if you guys copped a pair of these kicks. I'm happy to get this pair here because this is actually my size. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on the Yeezy Zyon V2. Was this a cop or a drop for you guys? Again, a very natural tone, so I think it's a great overall shoe. Do I think this is going to resell? I absolutely think if you hold on to these guys, they will resell. It might take about 6 months to a year for it to get back up to that original like $400 resale point. So it is a hold for me at this point, but for me this is going to go on feet. All right, so with that said, please don't forget to hit that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification button because we've got a lot more heat on the way. My name is Suheel with Feel Good Threads, and I'm out of here. Peace.
Yeah. Speeding down my lane while I'm sleeping is a shame. Is you dreaming or you working? Both meanings ain't the same. Opening my eyes cause these snakes running game. I'm just focused on the prize while these fakes hunt the fame. Phony friends party when they hardly know your name. When you going through some real shit, them same people fake. Girlies do you dirty and they know you trying to play. Even though you ain't thirsty but you still wanna taste. Tripping up your job cause they won't raise your pay. You been there like 5 years slaving every single day. Your ex got a new man, now it ain't the same. Now you see her on the gram, happiness in her face. You could have been her man, got lost along the way. Now you reaping what you sow and you sowing up some pain. Wear it on your sleeve when the cold feel the rain. Here's my 2 cents, I just hope you want the change. Yo. Summertime.